Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dipto Sarkar and today I am gonna share with you top 3 way to make money online. This will be a legit top 3 way. By improvising this 3 way, you can definitely earn money from online. So the first one is freelancing, second one is affiliate marketing, and the last one is dropshipping or e-commerce. And in this video I will guide you step by step how you can do this, whatever freelancing, affiliate marketing or dropshipping. So without talking too much, let's dive in. So the first one is freelancing. You can freelancing on different marketplaces if you have any skill set like graphic design, web design, or maybe social media marketing, digital marketing. If you have this sorts of skill set, then you can definitely do freelancing on different marketplaces. So there are top marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, 99 Design, Design Crowd. So there are plenty of top marketplace where you can provide your service. I will share with you some marketplace where you can work as a beginner. So let's go to the screen. So this is fiverr.com and you can provide plenty of services here. Like you are a graphic designer, then you can provide service here. You can, maybe you are a web developer, then you can definitely service here. Like there are freelancer like you, like if I search for web design, I can find there are gig. Okay, so these are all of the individual freelancers who create gig here and they will get regularly order from here. So if you are beginner, then you can definitely try out this fiverr.com. and there you can provide different services because there are lots of service category. So in graphic design you can do logo design, AI artist, web design. Okay, maybe you are some person who are expert in AI, then you can definitely provide service here. Here is the AI service, AI application and something like this. So on whatever category you are expert, you can provide this service on fiverr.com. Maybe you are a graphic designer, then you can provide service on some graphic design oriented marketplace like 99 Design. So this is 99 Design. You can provide your graphic design service on 99 Design and their price also very high. Okay, logos start from $2.99. so if you are a logo designer, you can start your service from $2.99. It's really great. Then some other marketplace like Design Crowd. Again, if you are a graphic designer, then you can provide your service here on Design Crowd. So there are lots of websites where you can provide your service if you wanna do freelancing or if you have any particular skill set. Now you can do affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is really not very easy thing, and on the other hand it's very easy thing because by help of ChatGPT you can write blog, and if your blog on ranking on Google, then you can add some affiliate link there and you can do affiliate marketing. I have a great video on affiliate marketing on my channel. Maybe this video pop up here. Okay, so you can definitely check it out, or you can find the link in the description. So there are lots of things I have cleared on that video, so you can definitely check it out. So yeah, that's the thing. You can do affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing not only product, you can do some soft solution affiliate marketing like different domain service provider who provide affiliate sorts of things like Bluehost. If you take one customer on Bluehost, then Bluehost will give you the commission. So you can definitely try out this soft related solution. So yeah, that's the thing, and by help of this you can do affiliate marketing. But the biggest platform for affiliate marketing is Amazon Associate, ClickBank and Digistore24. And this is not exactly to do affiliate marketing with physical product. You can do some soft solution, like I will share you a good tricks. So there are a website called AppSumo, and in this AppSumo website you can find some premium subscription tools lifetime deal, and you can do affiliate marketing there. You can share their product on your social media, on your blog, and when anyone purchases these deals, then you can get commission. And AppSumo is very popular among digital service taker because on AppSumo you can find the lifetime deals. So that for that reason AppSumo is very good, guys. So you can find some software here, course and all sorts of things you can find here. Maybe you know YouTube is the second largest search platform, so you can make some video on different AppSumo tools on YouTube, and when anyone purchases and when anyone see your video, they definitely purchase the tools and you will get commission. By help of this AI sorts of things like ChatGPT, affiliate marketing is really very easy. But if you do some tips and tricks, then definitely you can make some good amount of money, or you can make some recurring amount of money from online by affiliate marketing. And definitely don't forget to check out my affiliate marketing video. And the last one is e-commerce or drop shipping. You can source some product from China or Alibaba, and then you can sell this product on a very good price or on a very good margin on Amazon or your own website, and definitely by this way you can earn money from online. And this is very easy, guys. If you check some really niche product, you can find the product on Alibaba. The price is really very cheap, and if you contact with this supplier and you can take some bulk product and then you can sell on Amazon or your own website, then by this way you can definitely earn some good amount of money. And also you can do some drop shipping sorts of things. You need to just connect the supplier and list their product on your website and market your website, and when anyone purchases from your website, the supplying details directly go to the supplier, and the supplier will serve the product or ship the product to the customer end, and you will just get commission. So you can also do these sorts of things. So these are the 3 legit way to make money online. There are plenty of way to make money online, but these are the 3 ways that I have experienced, and it's very successful among my some relatives, some collaborators, and some known person. They are getting success on these 3 way. So for that reason, I recommend you to go any of this one and you will definitely get success. And you can check out my freelancing and affiliate marketing video. You can find the link in the description. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, do subscribe, and I will get you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.